Hi and welcome to Market Conversations. Just want to do a quick video on Block, but before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment. So Block went down 5.28% on Friday. It had a really brutal day, and that was because they had a huge outage that lasted the entire day. Block's share sink after Square Cash App outage. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 5-day chart. It's down 9%, 1 month 14%, 6 month 25%, and year to date it's down 17%. I'm currently down quite a bit on Block, and I'm planning to possibly hedge my position, but we'll see what next week brings. And they've been getting nothing but bad news. So the outage was on Thursday, and then they also had a downgrade. Here on Tuesday, UBS downgraded Block to neutral with a $65 price target. UBS analysts are cautious on Block, the fintech company formerly known as Square, as they expect its gross profit growth to slow down in the second half of 2023 and 2024. UBS attributes the slowdown to weakening of consumer discretionary spending, the deceleration of Cash App monthly active growth, and the moderation of Cash App monetization rates. Okay, so we have two bad news last week. And then I did find an article on Seeking Alpha, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. This was dated September 9th. It says Block growth versus profitability in a competitive market. Summary, let's just go ahead and go through summary. Square has demonstrated great foresight in growing its offering within the Cash App ecosystem, since it allows cross-selling within its existing active users while improving its cost efficiencies. As a result of Jack Dorsey's conviction surrounding Bitcoin, it is also unsurprising that Bitcoin transactions command the majority of Cash App's revenues. With Cash App being Square's bottom line driver while boasting a high growth cadence, we are not surprised that the stock still commands a premium. However, investors must be aware that with high growth comes great expectations, with the management's conservative commentary and the recent earnings call already triggering the collapse in its stock price. Therefore, while we may rate the Square stock as a buy here, investors must also be very patient while keeping their portfolio appropriately sized according to their risk tolerance. So this person actually has a buy rating. So these are not analysts, these are people that write for Seeking Alpha. So they do have data backing it, their thesis. And then let's go ahead and take a look at some of the comments here. One person wrote, I've been stalking Square for a position for months. $75 wasn't cheap enough for my liking, nor was $65 for that matter, but $58 was the begging of my starter until Friday sell off to $53 on a meaningless headline. That's when I sized up from 10% my bull position to 70%. Wow, that's pretty big. If it drifts lower, I'll add the remaining $30 if it goes higher. I'll likely wait for a healthy breach of the $58 to average up again and get a full position. Friday's sell-off is a gift, just like when Love had a half day of grounded flights on a technical issue and the stock got beaten down 8% just to rebound within a 30% higher. Square is highly oversold and at a long time support. Also, average on Friday was unfortunately close to my max exposure, so small purchase. So if you guys are buying Square, and thanks for watching.